Welcome to day 2 of our visit to Jurien Bay. Um, we are going to the beach to see if we can have a swim. Yesterday I thought I can swim, but it's still raining, and let's see how cold seawater is. If it is not too cold, I'll definitely try a swim, but I don't know as of yet. It's pretty much rained a whole night. Pretty much last night it's rained pretty much. It's still raining. That definitely hampered a bit of our plans, but that should be okay. And we have a couple of points that we'd like to visit today. Let's see if we can make it or not, because unsealed roads, two-wheel drive, not the best combination, but we are still gonna see what we can do with it. Now, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I'll put a link up to our day 1 of Jurien Bay, so you can go and have a look and see all the fun that we had yesterday. We are walking towards the beach. Caravan park that we are staying, which is called Jurien Bay Caravan Park, has a really weird cleaning schedule where they closed off the toilets or the amenities from 9 o'clock to 11:30. And your checkout is at 10 o'clock. So pretty much you have to get ready before 9 if you want to get out on time. Let's go into the water and see how cold it is. Let's walk in. Oh, it's actually not that cold. No. I thought the water is going to be icy cold by looking at the temperatures, but the water is surprisingly, I'm not gonna say warm, but it's not cold as well. I took a quick dip. The water is actually a bit colder than I was expecting, and yeah, I didn't put my head inside because I don't have a shampoo to wash all the salt off. So I took a dip till here. Let's go back to the car now and pack the rest of the things up. And you can see the missus with the umbrella taking a toe dip in the Indian Ocean. I'll have a quick bath, and then we'll head off to our destination number 1. This is the first point of our journey today. This is called Lion's Lookout. The sea is right there. So that's the Jurien Bay. The entire coastline here is called Jurien Bay. Location number 2, here we are. This is called Sandy Cape Lookout. And this is actually part of the Jurien Bay Marine Park. Look at this. How good is this look? When you come to the Sandy Cape Lookout, so you actually have to come via or inside the Sandy Cape campgrounds. And there's a parking at the end of it. So you actually need to take the one-way on your left, and then there's a P sign, parking sign, where we need to park. While walking a bit forward, it says dune restoration in progress. Entry beyond this point is prohibited. I think water hitting it for hundreds or thousands of years had made this formation. Look at the water, how crystal clear the water is. Yes, there's a bit of white sand when the wave is hitting it. The landscape tells a story of time and tide. The rocky surfaces here are marked with deep corrugations and natural cuts shaped by the years of wind and waves. Water has carved a hole in the rock now, and we can see the beach. If this is not called paradise, then I don't know what's called a paradise. Pretty nice view. Let me show you. Wow, just look at the little bird. How good does it look? And check out the crystal clear water here. You can actually see right underneath the surface, every ripple, bit of sand, and it's just stunning. And over there, another beautiful rock formation, nature's artwork on full display. Climbing the sand dunes, and look at the vegetation and the view at my back. Mrs. is trying to climb the sand dunes. In the meantime, have a look at the view. A bit of hike and see what we are greeted with. We just walk from there. This is the view on the other side of that boardwalk. Look at this. Right? Pretty good. Birds just chilling around. It's absolutely worth the walk or the hike. I believe it's about 20-25 minutes one way because it's sand and you have to walk up, so it takes a bit of time. But yeah, it's 100% worth it. Thank you for the amazing views, Sandy Cape. Until next time. Now, to our location number 3. We have enjoyed the sea and the beaches. Now we are gonna come here to a location where it's mentioned that we can enjoy the inland views. Alright guys, we are up here at Grigson's lookout. Even though it's an overcast day, the view is still absolutely epic. You can see inland salt lakes spreading out across the landscape. That soft gray light really bringing out the textures. As we move to the right, the sand dune starts to appear. That's the gypsum mine. We even spotted the signs for the active mine sites on our way to location 2. That's just beyond all that, you get this turquoise-blue waters. Even without the sun, they've got this incredible glow. It's wild how this place brings together salt lakes, dunes, mines, and ocean. Location 4, Lake Thetis. This is the pathway to the lake, and as we walk down, the view just keeps getting better. At the end of the track, we have got something really special waiting, this incredible Stromatolites. Today, the water is a bit hazy, but you can still spot the Stromatolites just beneath the surface. It's amazing to think we are standing in front of something that connects all the way back to the beginning of life itself. Here I am, getting a bit of spirited driving in the hard sand, and this is quite a thrill. The dirtier the car, the most fun we have. We saw a sign of the tourist while we're driving back to Perth, and we thought, why not? Let's check it out. Look at this, another beautiful lookout with a 360 view. Look at the clouds, how good those clouds looks like a wave. These are a couple of points of interest that we can, or you can visit while coming from Perth to up north. And the points are mentioned, or the point of interest mentioned on that board. We have covered the point number 2, 4, and 6. This marks our end to Jurien Bay 2-day trip. Perth is about 116 km. We have already traveled more than 150 km, so it's not very far. Another 90 minutes or maybe max 2 hours and we'll be back home. I hope you have enjoyed our Jurien Bay series. If you have not watched the previous one, I will request to go back and we'll add this to the card, the Jurien Bay Day Trip 1. Thank you for watching. You have a great night. See you next Sunday.